An institute recognized as India's first corporate sponsored business school, offering high quality management education and research, strong industry linkages, global exposure through academic collaborations, and a strong placement record with top notch recruiters. Their best alumni include Anand Stanley, who is the president of Airbus Asia Pacific, Sanjay Bhasan, who is the DGM of State Bank of India, Amlan Pati, who is the general manager at Samsung. Welcome to Career Choice 360, the gateway to your dream MBA. Welcome to Career Choice 360, your best guide for the MBA admission world. So we are going to cover all the important details about the International Management Institute, IMI, located in the capital of India, that is Delhi. It is situated at the Qutub Institutional Area, where you can easily reach from the Yellow Line Horse Cars or Green Park Metro Station. The location is so peaceful and so calm. Now looking at the courses offered here, the flagship course is of course the 2-year PGDM program with major specializations like HRM, that is Human Resource Management, and Banking and Financial Services. Also, they are offering an 18-month PGDM program for the working professionals. All these programs are approved by AICTE, accredited by National Board of Accreditation, that is NBA. Along with NBA, they are accredited internationally by the prestigious UK-based Association of MBA, that is AMBA. Now coming to the fee section, if you are doing a self-sponsored course, it is 23,54,000, and if you are doing a company-sponsored PGDM, it is 36,97,160, and for the foreign nationals, it's 26,720 US dollar. Now coming to the hostel and mess charges, so it will be around 3 to 4 lakhs. So there are two options between which you can choose what is preferable for you. Now coming to the admission process, so first of all, the applications for IMI Delhi's all PGDM program for batch 2026 to 28 are now open and will close by 12th of December. So make sure you complete your application before that. The application fee is 2,250 rupees for Indian students. Now let's see the eligibility for the same. So first of all, your academic records, that is your 10th, 12th and graduate marks. Your CAT, XAT, GMAT scores are accepted here. Only shortlisted candidates will get a call for the personal interview round, essay writing round. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for the final stage of the selection process, that is the individual assessment. It includes a process where you are asked for the essay writing and the personal interview round. And the individual assessment process generally held between January or February. So your past academic records, performance in the individual assessment process, along with other qualitative parameters like quality of work experience and the extracurricular activities you submit in your application, are based for the all over selection process. Now coming to the most important part, that is the placement. So they have 175 number of recruiters. They are the major recruiters, and among which 70 are the new one that were added last year in their group, and 150 students have got increments from their PPOs, which is a very good number. The highest CTC for IMI Delhi was 71 lakh per annum, and the average CTC was 16 lakh 71 LPA. IMI Delhi's top recruiters include almost every big company in India. So when it comes to choose one of the best B school in India or in Delhi, IMI will turn out to be a wise choice for you. So I hope this video helped you know about the ins and outs of IMI Delhi. Comment down your queries and don't forget to subscribe Career Choice 360.